What's up, people? So this tutorial is for making a diary using Notepad. How to make a diary using Notepad. So let's get into it. First of all, we have to open Notepad. So there's Notepad. It's simple actually, and type dot log. It must be caps. If it's not caps, like capital letters, it won't work. So yeah, type dot log. Save it in any folder you want to save it. I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Let's say diary. I already had a diary on the desktop. Diary tutorial. Yeah, that's fine. And let's save it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and let me just view my desktop. Sure, desktop icons. Diary tut. And I just created, and when you open it, you'll see a timestamp. It's currently 12 a.m. YM, so you can enter your data. Currently 12 a.m. I'm bored, and you can save. After you save, close it. When you come back, it will generate a new timestamp depending on the times, like the timestamp on your system. So it's still the same 12:01, still the same time. Yeah. Let's wait for at least 1 minute to pass so I can show you that the timestamp changes. And you go ahead, Control Save, Control S, and you close and open it. You see the timestamp changes, and your data don't get lost, doesn't get lost as long as you save it. Yeah. So yeah, cool. Like, subscribe for more cool computer tricks. We out.